Okay, good day guys. Alright, so today we want to do something on tritones, the concept of tritones. Okay, so I will explain that and I will try as much as possible to make this video short. Alright, so let's do it on the key of F. Okay, so what is a tritone? From the word tri, like T-R-I, 3. So it means 3 tones. Tritones, 3 tones. Okay, so we have 12 keys on the keyboard. If you start from C sharp, D, let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, don't forget this, it's the same thing as this. Alright, so tritones now, it means 3 tones. Okay, now what is a tone? A tone is an interval of 2 steps, like 2 semitones, yes. Alright, from here, if you count from here, 1, 2, this is a tone. From C to D is a tone. From C to C sharp is a semitone. This is a semitone. That is half step. Now from here, now 1, 2. Now this is whole step, which is what? Tone. Alright, so from here to here, this is semitone, this is a tone. Then from here to here, this is semitone, and then to here, this is a tone. So let's count. Okay, so this is a tritone here. 1, 2, 3. 3 tones. Now from here to here is a tone. From here to here is a tone, and then from here to here is another tone. Okay, so this is a tritone now. So we have just 6 of them, just 6 tritones. So the rest are inversion. So let's play the 6 from C and F sharp. I can also say the root and flat 5. This is the root now. On C, this is the root, then flat 5. You step this down by a half step. Now this is a tritone. Okay, so let's take it up. Let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you want to continue, it means you are going back to the former one, which is F sharp tritones now. Now you can see if you invert this, it will be the same thing as this. So let's do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's just complete it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so just practice this chromatically. Okay, so this is a tritone. Alright, so how do you apply this? Now you need to know something. I've been playing this in my videos, but I just need to explain that because some of you don't understand tritones. Okay, you need to understand that tritones work with dominant chord. The dominant chord on F now, this is F dominant, the root, the third, the fifth, and flat 7. This is the major 7th chord, the root, the third, the 5th, and the 7th. Now dominant, you take the 7th, you step it down by a half step here. So the root, the third, the 5th, and the flat 7th. Okay, so this is a dominant chord here. Alright, so let's fix out the tritones here now. We have 1 tritones here. And where is the tritones? This and this. The third and the 7th is the tritones. So in every dominant chord, the third and the 7th is a tritone. Okay, so if we are to apply this now in a song, let's use this song. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? Let me sing, how great is our God? Okay, so how great is our God? Sing down 7, 3, how great, 6 is our God, then 2, everything, 5, then you have 4. Okay, so on the 7th now, we want to use the tritones here. So I've been playing this now. If you have been watching my videos, you will know this chord. This is my 7th now. Okay, now this 7th now turn it to a dominant chord. So E dominant chord will be E, G sharp, B, and D. Now where is the tritones there? Don't forget the third and the seventh. This is the third and this is the seventh. So this is the tritones. So if I can play it like this, not playing the seventh on F, because the bassist can play that, but I can also play it. Alright, so how great is our God now? See within. Can you see now? This is my seventh. This is my seventh, which is a tritone. So I've turned this seventh to dominant chord now. So this is my tritones here. So how great is our God. Then sweet. Now look at my melody here. This is my melody here. A, C, E, and A. A, C, E, A. See, speak with me, how great. Yeah, so how great is our God. Sing with me, how great. Okay, so my third here now. 7, 3. Now my third here now. I'm still playing a tritones here now. So look at it. You turn the third to a dominant chord also. This is the dominant of A, C sharp, E, and G. Now the third and seventh is the tritone. So can you see? So how great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our. So that's my second now. Okay, so let's stop here. So 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 4. Now I'm not going to 1, just go to 4 straight from the 5th. Alright, so the third now, you already know this. Now here I play the dominant chord. I just play because of the melody. Now you have to look for the chord that has the melody. So because of the melody here, so I'm playing A dominant here. Yeah, still A dominant. I can play it like this. Okay, then your 6 can play it like this. But if you are moving straight from your 6th to your second, if you are moving straight, now I'm playing my normal 6 here because I'm staying on it for a while. So you are not to play the tritones. So I will listen, sing with me, how great. If you know how to manage your chord, maybe. Alright. So but if you are moving from your 6th to the second now, you can play this as the tritones again, which is dominant, D dominant, the third and the seventh, which is D, F sharp, and C. Then that's La. Then so this is my second here now. My second is still a dominant chord, G, B, D, F. Now, so I'm playing the tritones now, the third and the seventh, but the bass is still there, which is the second. Then the 5th. This is the 5th now. I just played this because I'm going to the 4th straight. I'm not staying on the 5th. So this is what I played. Just look at this tritones there. This is what I played. Can you see? Then because of the melody. Now these tritones now, the way you can resolve this is going up, this is coming down. Can you see? This is going up, this is coming down. Can you see? Can you hear that? This is going up, this is coming down. So you can resolve this. That's the 4th. So let's play the song again. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God. Then my second. How with me, how great is our God. Okay, so let's stop here. Let's stop here. So the 5th, this is what I played. So some of you can play this with my explanation. There is the dominant of 5th. Now the 3rd and the 7th now. But since we are going to the 4th, you can play this when going to the 1, to your first chord. You can play this. Can you hear that? So this is coming down. This is going up, and this is also going up. Can you hear that? But because I'm going to the 4th, I use this. So this is better. Okay, so if you are going to your, let's do the same song. How great is our God. And
Sing with me.
let's stop here. Just play this down chromatically. Great is our God. Sing. Can you hear this? So the bassist is playing the seventh now. Me, I'm playing. Okay. Let's see if I can manage this with my right hand. How great is our God.
Sing with me.
It's okay. Now the seventh now. The bassist is playing the seventh here now. So from there you go to your third and then 6. So that's how about tritones. Alright, so the last thing, play this down chromatically with your left hand, then your right hand can just go to the normal movement. Just go to your fourth from your second. How great is our God. Sing with me. Okay, so okay. So that's that. Then the bass is going to the seventh, like I said. So is our God. Okay, yes, on my second here, this is what I played. Because of the melody too, look for the chord that has the melody. Okay, so here, my right hand sing some B, D, F, and A. Now this is resolving to the fourth, but to make it cool, the fourth should be cool. Sing, sing, sing with me, how great is our God. Now the fourth should be cool. How great is our God. Okay. Now the last thing, diminished seventh chord. Let's take F diminished seventh chord for example now. Can you see this? These are just tritones. The first tritones here is F, B, and the second is A flat and D. And if you put the two together, can you see? You have tritones here. So okay, so if you play this, you have the same thing here. This is the first tritones. So I will advise you to practice this chromatically, the tritones now. And take it down with your left hand. So that's that. Then you can practice that with the dominant also. Playing the roads now. Nice now. Alright. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any question, please drop it. I will attend to it. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.